Hello there, Glossier Sundays are back. I've been reviewing their products since the very start of my channel just over 2 years ago, but there are always more releases to discuss, so I'm planning to make these more regular monthly videos. Plenty of Glossier ideas up my sleeve. Today I'm running through the Skincare Edit, Glossier's limited edition 2019 holiday release, but it's still available on their website. This is a little late because it launched in early December, but it's not too late to snap one up. The Glossier team kindly sent this to me as a holiday gift, and I put up a poll on my Instagram at Matilda on video asking if you wanted to see it, so here we are. Before I get started, I've seen some people comment that the packaging seems wasteful, but this is actually a moulded paper case. No plastic whatsoever, you can see the paper texture, so it's completely recyclable. And the Glossier pink rubber band holding it together can be reused. Bundle up some products in your makeup bag or tie up that bag of M&Ms you nearly finished while watching Cheer. The Skincare Edit has taken 5 of Glossier's best-selling formulas and shrunk them into travel minis. You know I have a major weakness for travel minis, and those baby Balm.coms in particular make me melt. There are 7 items inside: Milky Jelly Cleanser, the brand's gentle face wash; Future Dew, the oil serum hybrid for dewy Glossier skin; Super Bounce, their super light hydrating serum; Balm.com, their basic lip balm in original and rose; Priming Moisturiser Rich, their luxurious moisturiser; and a Glossier headband tucked away in here as well. I've been using all of these products in their full-sized form for a long time. Apart from Future Dew, which launched in October 2019, the others have been in my skincare routine for years. I've reviewed them all separately before. I'll leave my big Glossier review playlist down below, but let's go through each product in case you're new to the brand and want to hear what they're all about. First, Milky Jelly Cleanser, the product built off the back of an Into the Gloss comment thread that asked, "What is your dream face wash?" The team got to work, and in 2016, this bottle arrived. Gentle, safe for the eyes, soothing, suitable for all skin types. The jelly texture and conditioning ingredients make this a lovely morning cleanser for me to wake my skin up without making it feel dry or stripped, or something I swap to at night when I want something very gentle. It's cooling and smells slightly of rosewater. This travel mini is the only one in the kit that's sold separately, and it's refillable so you can top it up and keep on packing it in your suitcase. Next, Future Dew, a product that's only been out for a couple of months, but it's already been a big hit. It's described as Glossier skin in a bottle, that healthy, glossy, dewy look they're known for. This is an oil serum hybrid to give you the glow that your regular oils and serums do when you first apply them, but this lasts far longer throughout the day. The colour is quite creamy, but it blends in to be completely transparent and creates quite an intense glossy look, so I definitely don't need the full 2 pumps they suggest. I'm really working that 1 pump in to make it look more subtle. As I mentioned in my Future Dew review on launch day, to me this is more of a makeup step than skincare, like a nice glowy base product. I use other skincare products for a dewy look each morning, so I don't need this all over the face, but instead I like using it as a beautiful glossy highlight. Super Bounce recently appeared in my Glossier Favourites video as one of my top 5 skincare products from the brand. It's a bottle I've repurchased countless times over the years, partly because this travel mini used to be the full size, but they brought out a larger bottle for the same price last year. The formula changed too, and because I've been using some backups, I haven't switched to the new one yet. This one does seem more milky than the original, but it has the same lovely light gel texture with a cooling feel. It just makes my skin feel so soft and supple, and I find it far more enjoyable to use than other hyaluronic acid products which often have a sticky texture. None of that here. A perfect step to give your skin a big drink of water before moisturiser. Balm.com is Glossier's cult favourite lip balm, one of the first products they ever released. The original unscented balm is a skin salve that you can use on your lips, cuticles, elbows, any dry patches. There's lanolin, beeswax, castor seed oil in there, but petroleum is listed as the #1 ingredient. I've mentioned it before on my channel. It's very common in lip balms because it's great as a barrier to lock in moisture if your lips are already hydrated, or to block out the wind and cold, but it's not doing anything to nourish your lips on its own. A lot of petroleum means Balm.com isn't a top lip formula for me, but I do love using the yummy flavours when my lips are already in good condition, and rose is one of my top picks, so I'm glad to see it in mini form in this set. It has quite a realistic rose scent. It's more subtle than their other flavours, but still noticeable, almost like the soft flavour of a rose macaron. You can see their most recent flavours in my new Glossier makeup video, but I'm planning to film an updated comparison of all of the Balm.com tints and flavours in future. The last skincare step in the edit is Priming Moisturiser Rich. This is regular Priming Moisturiser's more luxurious cousin, the Creme de Glossier. This is a richer, creamier formula I wear at night in winter, but you could use it during the day if you live in a cold, harsh climate or when your skin needs extra hydration. It's described as ultra rich, but it isn't a cream that's too heavy or sticky, can't bear those. This still absorbs nicely and feels smooth thanks to shea and muru butters that melt into the skin. Softly scented with lavender oil for a relaxing mini spa moment at home. Finally, to top it all off, there's a limited edition Glossier Headband in here. They made a thicker toweling headband for their 2015 holiday set. You can tell I've been buying their products for a while, but this one is much thinner. It's a nylon spandex fabric, so it's nice and stretchy, and there are actually some non-slip strips in here that have got stuck together. There's a double line of this non-slip texture running all the way around the inside of the headband, so it won't slip off over your hair while you're applying makeup in the morning or enjoying your skincare ritual before bed. The set is designed to be the foundation of your skincare routine, but I would have liked to see a couple of substitutions to make it more useful for daytime. I'd take out one of the Balm Calms and probably Future Dew 2, and definitely would have included sunscreen instead. It's the most important product you can possibly put on. You can spend a fortune on skincare, but sunscreen is the best step for anti-aging. Not to mention, it could save your life. Skin cancer is so serious. So SPF is something we should all be wearing every single day, rain or shine. I also would have liked to see a lighter moisturiser for daytime. Glossier Priming Moisturiser is my absolute favourite, not just from this brand, but from any brand. It's the only one I've used every day for years. Leaves my skin looking so dewy and healthy, so a mini tube would have made me jump for joy. I'd love to hear if you would have made any changes to the skincare edit too, to sneak some of your favourites in. Which minis would you want to take out or swap in? Glossier puts together so many different makeup and skincare value sets, and they recently released a couple of new combinations with a bit of a saving each time. The Valentine's Day kit this year creates an easy date night look with Glossier You, their very recognisable fragrance that I smell on about 25 people a day when I'm in New York, their glassy lip gloss and black liquid liner pro tip. The Emily Weiss set is a limited edition quartet of the founder's favourite products. Can't have been easy, but she's chosen her favourite children, and Milky Jelly, Future Dew, Boy Brow and Lash Slick Mascara made the cut. And there's a new cleanse and glow combo with Milky Jelly and Future Dew for a gentle conditioning face wash and that dewy Glossier skin in a bottle. Please let me know if you unwrapped the skincare edit over the holiday season last year and what you thought of it. Did you cave in for those travel minis, or is it a set you skipped? What do you think of the individual products inside? Any flops or favourites for you? Please share in the comments below. Much more Glossier content ahead in 2020, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.